It's your boy here, Lemon Snitch. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. This will be my second video ever. I'll be showing you how here life at village we do go to bathe at the river. Yeah, so in our village here we have a big river called River Tebesi. There it is. I'll be showing you. So here at our village it's been raining since. Now we do get stranded, like they're difficult to take ourselves to the bathing station. Yeah. So it's been raining and the river now is full of water. As you can see, the water flows. So we can't go there to take shower. Now I'll be showing you where I'll get to find where to take a shower. So as you can see there is no, the waves have been get mad like that. Yeah, as you can see there, the water flows. Our river is big. Here we don't have showers. We come to take shower at the river. Now it's full of water. It's been raining. So let's go. I'll be showing you where take a shower. I'll be taking a shower. So I came with my bag, which carries my soap. Yeah. Here even, this is where we come to farm. We farm things like sukuma wiki, things like tomatoes. Yeah.
These ways are unpassable, bwana.
Okay. This river is huge. As you can see, this napier grass has been growing for a long time. Since I was a kid. Yeah. Now they've become very, very tall. As you can see, this is the napier grass. Here we do take this napier grass to our cows. As you can see, we go through. We go through now. These are the cabbages. They are big, growing up. As you can see, the rain. So here the cabbages, they have been growing well, but the rain seems to be affect them very much bad. Now here also the rain has been made. In Africa we call this pilipili nyanya. So the rain has affected it. It has not growing. Yeah, as you can see, here we have some bananas. We also do bananas, as you can see. Here are the bananas. You can see it's growing there, up there. Yeah, here at the beside the river. Yeah, I'll be showing you where we usually get difficult time when it's raining here at our village. So as you can see, also here we have another bananas. Yeah, here these banana trees are taking almost 4 to 5 months to produce. As you can see, here now it's around about 3 months to 4 months. Yeah, so as you can see it here at the river.
Continue. Hmm?
Bombo klata aje.
Hmm?
Yeah, the shamba is so big here at our village. You can see there the sugar canes. They only take 5 months. Yeah, yeah. At the when we are working on shamba, we don't take any meal apart from sugar cane. That's why we planted here sugar cane. Yeah, for us to do shamba work and to get what we eat, we only do sugar canes. It's been raining. Be showing you the best position. Yeah.
And the river is really flooding today. Will we take a shower? Really?
As you can see,
The river is really overflowing. Oh, but we found on a spot. And you can even find snakes inside these areas.
so here is where we take a shower. As you can see, so this is the river now. I'm there right now. So there is where I'll be taking shower. Yeah. So as you can see, this is my soap. It's dark like me. Yeah, and this is what I'm going to use. So come I show you. Akana nimekimbia huko kunyorosha hivyo mpaka ukufe kabisa wewe.
Lakini maji, lakini si mingi.
Bure, unataka nikae kati wa nyangi hata mata. So guys, here is where I'm going to take a shower. But at first I told you this water seems to be too much and it's flowing heavily. So as you can see, it can flow with me. So here is where I'll be taking my shower. So first we apply the soap on the face. Yeah, like this. And as you can see, the river is full and I even have no place to put the soap. So I can handle it while I'm taking a shower. So then I will apply the soap on my chest as I apply also at the back. Yeah. So guys, yeah. This water is so cold. Here now I'm pouring water to my body. You know, I can swim and the water can flow with me. So I'm so much scared. Yeah. Thumbnail ya YouTube. Unakuta?
Ay, 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 ay.
Huh?
Ay, ngoja.
Chill ni kama.
Inakaa fiti.
Oya. Denu. Piga vida. So now I'm done. Now I'm going to wear my clothes. I didn't come with the oil so that I couldn't apply. Yeah. Now I think I'm fresh and clean. I need now to wear my clothes so then I get back home to feed my animals. Yeah, so guys, continue subscribing. Continue subscribing. I'll be updating new videos soon. So stay tuned. Yeah, subscribe, click. Don't forget even to like, share, and comment. So keep up subscribing, guys.